What? At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. A franchise is choosing one the 10-star general or represent for Gaza with an explode explosion on the no Gaza people. When me drop necessary equipment on the no and a lollipop thing. When me a sound the big thing them. Actually, naturally, and fracturally, you know a 10-star way. What? So here me I say right now, cause you know me not gonna laugh with it, you know, me go jump straight night. So here me I say right now. I want to know, you know, right now, if all of them prove and evidence the way the lawyer them dig up, you see what I deal with and bring forward to the court. You see what I deal with, because in the first place, remember, you know, the system, you know, saying, you know, them want to set an example out of Vybz Kartel. You know, remember Gaza Nation? Say is an example, them say them want to set out of the teacher. So me ask you something right now. If all of them things where the lawyer them dig up, you see me and bring forward to the court are true, where all of them fucking evidence that where them planting at the man phone and all of them rigmarole where them go on in the court. More want to know if the same system, right? We don't want to set an example out of Vybz Kartel. If them not going to set an example about out of the people them who done them thing there. Because let me tell you something, Gaza people. If we not go fix this shit from the top, you know, that mean the bottom always a go bad, you know. So when you know watch you look at you, them were fire shot and I watch you look up at it, you know, and them big man they stay so behind everything, you know, and I go like say well then I know them, you know. They behind it, you know. I want to know right now, you know. Say, if all of them things that we bring forward, the evidence we bring forward in the court, you know, I want to know who, you know, I got to pay the penalty for them things there, you know. Because the lollipop thing I deal with, you know. Here, I tell you, no Gaza people, because I know one of them ever see nothing yet, you know. Wait till when this shit are over, you're going to see the way how I act. Yo, so you see the reason why the war between me and Fish T can't stop. Eh? Because on a body business put Gaza up on top. Watch. Hear me I tell you now. A Gaza must see him discriminate and take him on and gun up the whole of YouTube. And him have to run him off of YouTube. Him have to run go hide. Because what? Him criticize Vybz Kartel so much and move out the running a local problem and him not have no form of intellect say, nah nothing for talk say for good for behalf of the gully God. I'm show him up on YouTube and through him no intellect, him won't go know how to trace. Him run off and him can't do another review. You think him can come back on YouTube right now when all of them shoot they were them a show evidence in a teacher case and them pussy there that's a teacher for dead in a prison and carry shit bucket and all of them shit there and now come out and all kind of mockery and criticism and enough more bumbucklad people do it in a Jamaica too. You know how much people do them thing there in a Jamaica? You can't just get up and criticize people like that. When you don't even know that the real fact and the real thing are going on. Enough artists do that. I want to know how you feel. I want to know how you feel now when you see them thing they create. Because the whole of you know that they put in the mouth down upon the man. And I go like say only dead. You know what I mean? I saw you know the mouth cut cross way, you know. So you see old time people never wrong, you know, man. You see what I deal with? At the same mouth say thank you, you know. At the same mouth say no, you know. The same mouth will say thanks, you know. At the same mouth will say no, you know. And all lollipop thing, you know. You don't know, you know, the general 10-star one, you know when me I represent, you know me take my thing serious and a lollipop thing, you know a hardcore when me give it to, you know, because you know me have to represent, that's the ghetto people, them can understand what me I deal with, you know, because a lollipop thing me I deal with, you know. So when all some boy they ever view me thing and I see me thing and think a lollipop thing and think of them me I represent for a lollipop thing, me represent the people, them, the true people, them know what me I go on with. From them hear me, them know what is it. Them know no lollipop thing, them know a real thing me deal with. Them know me not laugh with it. Them know me not easy. I high grade me smoke, me not bun beady. Them know when me touch YouTube a real thing me go on with. All you have to do is pay attention to what me I say. And make me tell you something, the ever listen the way how me I tell you. The greatest thing that make you know. So you for understand. You see me? Because sometimes the way me I translate, I think probably me get all in our vibes, you know what I mean? And get real ignorant and hype about it. You know what I mean? Because you can't tell what me I go say. You see me? Because I no plan what I say and write what I say. I make you know what I go on straight. You know what I mean? I don't know no lollipop thing, I no itching thing about my thing. You hear me I tell you now? So I say again, I want to know the people them who say, they want to set an example out of the artist for that thing there. And the phone thing, because the phone thing them say, give away the artist and them want them prison him. So I want to know if like how them find out the truth now about the phone, same phone thing. Whosoever set up them thing upon the phone, I want to know if the system now go set an example out of them and don't make that ever again happen in a Jamaica history. Because you can't make them thing that happen in the government system. Because remember with the law there for serve and protect, and if the law now serve and protect where you have other outsiders to do. So all the government must have watch them things clearly, you know. And know anything of it shake up and change up, you know. I don't know a lollipop thing, you know, because I want to know how much innocent more youth there are prison like that. Who don't have the money for Vybz Kartel for hire them type of top lawyer there for find them type of loophole there now on the thing but now go on with. Eh? How much? How much? You know I'm not deal with the lollipop thing, you know. Otherwise I'm not come spit it, you know, enough shit me can talk for fancy up my thing, you know. I don't work like that, you know. You hear that? If I don't feel it, I don't do it, you know. A real thing, you know. Because when I talk it have to come out like this, I have to feel it, you know. So I don't want them boy things to me is a man who come and say, you know, for the hype, you know, and the glory, you know. I want to see what I deal with, you know, because a lollipop thing I deal with, you know. I've been telling you them things, you know, and I watch them things carefully, you know, enough more I can say, you know. But anyway, Gaza people, wait till when the world boss free and this over. Will you not believe me? Wait. Watch. Watch. Just look and watch.